Okay guys, the puppies are 2 weeks old and they all have their eyes open. And Camilla's eating over there. So, yeah, now all the puppies are awake. I'll show you later that they have their eyes open. So I'll see you in a minute. So yeah, Canela just got in here to feed them, and I don't think these other ones know that she's in there because they're napping, but this one found her. So yeah, Canela. Okay, there she laid down. Like that one, you can see that one's eyes open a little bit. No, you can't really see that one. Oh gosh, it's blurry. Hold on. Okay guys, it cleared up. It took it like a whole minute, but I don't think I'll be able to show you their eyes open in this video because when I pick them up, Canela usually freaks out because she's just being a good mom, so. But they do all have their eyes open. Just that a lot of them have black around. See that one a bit? Maybe. But so this is an update on the puppies. And I will keep updating you on them. But it probably won't be for another week or so that I'll update them. Because I'm not going to be here seeing them. So we're going to wrap this video up. I'm probably not going to post another video later. So, yeah, so we're going to wrap up this video. Goodbye.